Good morning, 7th and 8th graders. I, the leader of our mighty country, has overruled Mr. C. You will not have math lessons to do this week. Instead, you will have fun problems. Unfortunately, I can't do them. I'm not going to say why. But I have told Mr. C. he must do this so you can have fun this week in math. So pay attention to his instructions and do your best and make America great again. Thank you, oh fearless leader. Okay, so your first page that you're going to have is called Tracing Networks. On your sheet, there's a front and back. 5 are not traceable. So what you have to do is show me how you can trace this following their instructions. I'm not picking up my pencil, so I'm going to start this way, go this way. Then I'm going to come down like this. Then I'm going across like this. Then I'm going up like that. So without picking up my pencil, I was able to go like this, like this, like that, and like that. So number 1 is traceable. On that sheet, there are 5 that are not. See if you can figure those out. This will be great for you to have some fun with. Okay, on to the next assignment of this math week. Okay, students, the next one is drawing intersections, section 1-8. So you're going to have 3 columns, and they're going to give you instructions like using lines, rays, and angles. So 2 lines with 1 point. You only meet in 1 point. Okay. There's no such thing as 2 points with 2 lines or 3 points, so those are left blank. Okay, I didn't bring this one down far enough. Okay, here's another example, 3 rays. Notice I've got to draw them like rays. These are lines, so I have arrows on both sides. Okay, here I have rays. They meet in 1 point. Here I have 1, 2, 3 rays that meet in 3 points. You can still do 2. Okay, I'm not going to draw that for you. Another example, 2 angles. Notice I've got 1 angle, 2 angles, meeting at 2 points. So that's what you're going to do is fill out that chart following the instructions they give you. Some of them you cannot do. So see what you can do. See you do your best. I think you'll have some fun with this. And on to the next worksheet. Here is your third worksheet, 2-5, magic triangles. What you're going to do is they're going to give you blank triangles like this with little lines, and they want you to fill it in with, and they'll tell you these numbers are 1 through 9. This might be 1 through 15, or this one might be like one of them says 2 through 18 and stuff. So these 3 are worked out, and they're examples on your sheet. Notice something, that my smallest numbers of what they're asking for are all in the vertices, all where the triangles and the lines meet. Okay? Something else to notice as you're trying to figure these out, notice I've got multiples. 6 will go into 12, 4 will go into 8, 2 will go into 10. I have 1 into 5, 3 into 6, 2 into 4. Okay, I have 3 into 15, 9 into 18, 6 into 12. So like on the first one, it says use the numbers 1 through 9, and your sum should be 17. Notice it said sum is 18. If I add these 3, it's 18. Add these 3, it's 18. Add these 3, it's 18. Got 1, 5, 3 equals 9. 2, 4, 3 equals 9. 1, 6, 2 equals 9. Okay, I have 3, 18, and 6 equals 27. 12, okay, 12, 6, and 9 equals 27. 3, 15, and 9 equals 27. I didn't do these well enough. I should have done it a little bit better in the triangle. So that's going to be your next handout you're doing, and we will move on to the next one. Okay, your next worksheet is 213, toothpick problems. So that you're always going to start from this position as the instructions tell you. Okay, it says remove 2 toothpicks to make 2 rectangles. Well, what I did is I removed this one, and I ended up with 2 rectangles. That's problem number 1. Problem number 7, they want me to reposition 3 toothpicks to form 3 squares. So I went from here to here. I removed this one, and that one, and made this square here, and I made that shape. So follow the instructions they give you. Just do the have fun with the toothpicks. Have fun, especially creating one of your own. Try to maybe even send each other a copy of it or something and see if you can stump someone else in your classroom or even me. Okay, on to the next worksheet. Okay, here's your last worksheet. 218 magic hexagons. Okay, so I've done the hexagon. I'm going to try to explain everything to you. First, it says the sum of numbers along the diagonals drawn on the hexagon is the same. So the sum of this going all the way across is 64. So this is going to be 64. This is going to be 64. This is going to be 64 when you add up those numbers once you place them in there. Number 2, the sum of the numbers on each diagonal of the smallest one is 22. Here's my smallest one, so this plus this plus this is 22. This plus this plus this is 22. This plus this is 22. The sum of the numbers on each diagonal of the largest is 64. So the sum of, let's see, so going across this way is going to be 64, 64, 64. The sum of the numbers of the diagonal of each other hexagon will be 43. So this one to here is 43. This, and that. This will be 43. This, and this will be 43. So it's going to come from here in. Okay? And then the last one, if you go around the whole thing, you're going to find that this plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this is 63. All of these on this next one add up to 63. All of these add up to 63. So you're going to have to play around with the numbers, start placing them in here. If you're really struggling as you're going through the week, I'll be willing to give clues to help you out. But I first would like you to really try this. So go ahead and do that. Okay, so you've got the 3 done, or the 5 worksheets. You aren't getting any math homework this week except for these. These are going to count as a grade, so just don't blow it off. This is a great way to do this work and have some fun that can replace a week in which you didn't do very well and help your math grade. So really have some fun with these. They are a lot of fun. This is probably going to be the most difficult. Talk to each other. Don't give each other necessarily answers, but give each other hints that can help out. So if you have any questions, let me know. Have fun with these. I know you will. And we will talk to you later, and I look forward to seeing your answers on these. Goodbye.